Hi everyone, Trina here. Today we're going to do some more image transfers using these fun magazine images that I cut out of these sort of flowers and this sort of beachy scene here. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off with the black soot. Just lay down the Distressed Oxide ink. And I got a new little thing. One of my Instagram followers mentioned that she has been spraying these with water and then using them also to transfer the ink off of the page. So we're going to see if that works. So let's start with this one. Light pressure, about 10 seconds. Really having fun making these. I don't know if, well, we'll see. Those weird lines. Odd. Okay, let's put this down. I don't know if we got much. I might have done it upside down now that I'm looking at it. It might be upside down. I don't think I got much of a transfer there. That's weird. Well, there's a little bit. I do think I printed it upside down though. But that's how it's gonna stay. Do another, don't do it this way. A little ghosty here. I'm not sure I like all those lines in there though. I mean, we put lines in the work, so it should be fine. I'm interested to see how this one's gonna print though. I'm come in with the weathered wood for this piece. And this is just a sailboat kind of image, but I don't want it, let's put it down there and see what happens. It's very faint. I think we got something. It's always hard to tell because everything's so, oh, that's kind of cool actually. It's so light that it's kind of hard to tell. Oh, and I do have a piece of plastic here on my Gelli plate, so I can use my Baron. Ooh, that's fun. I like that. Let's do the ghost layer. I'm gonna just do it up here to the side. I don't want it all the way over. That's pretty neat. Okay, I want to see if I can actually get another pull from this magazine image. So let's see what happens if we put it down again. See if we can get anything off of there. I'm not sure I did. Oh. I've been curious about this for a while, so I thought I'd try it out. Oh, it did do something. Really what I'm looking for with these is just more the texture than the actual knowing what it is. Like, it doesn't really matter to me that you can tell that it's an ocean. I kind of wanted just that texture through there. Neat. So next thing I want to do is a layer of text on this side. So we're putting the mask down over here. Oh, it's kind of skinny and hard to get in there. This is the ground espresso I'm working with. I'm just going to rub off some of this that I got off to the side. I'm just going to take a piece of text here. That was on the back of what we just used before. My fingers are all sticky. Don't know why. Okay. Ooh, that didn't really work. That didn't really work at all. Oh, it kind of worked. I think I'm okay with it. It may not be super texty, but let's see what we get. Maybe we'll have to do another one. Yeah, that didn't really work out so well. I am going to put down this little bit through here. I wonder why that didn't work. Okay, let's try that again. Don't know what happened there. That was weird. Sometimes it doesn't work. That is what we know about making transfers, right? Sometimes it just doesn't work. Well, that doesn't look like it worked either. Okay, well, it doesn't look like the print gods are going to allow us to make any text transfers today. So we're just going to wing it. We'll go with what we have, which is fine. I mean, it's still texture. It's just not... It's a different magazine. Maybe that's the difference. It's still made really cool texture, I think. Let's put this down through here. Yeah, I think that works. Okay, I decided to put down a little bit of the Vintage Photo Distressed Oxide Spray on here before I let it dry and we put the last layer on, or the next layer. Kind of want to take my color shaper and just sort of spread that out a little bit. I'll do some little pressing here. Okay, I've got a thin layer of gel medium here. Ooh, what is that? Oh, got some ink still on there. We're gonna roll this out. You wanna make sure it's pretty thin. It doesn't need to be thick because we're just putting in a layer to seal in the oxide inks. Now, if you don't plan on collaging or anything on top of it, you don't have to do this step. Otherwise, your colors will absolutely run. Anything you put on there is going to get re-wetted. We don't really want that to happen. So, let's lay this down. Doesn't take a lot. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned, I'm working on the Jack Richardson printmaking paper today. And there should be a link to the paper in the description. Okay, this wasn't completely dry, as you can see. But we got some really good It does change the look and brightens up the color when you put the matte medium over it. So let's let this dry, and then we'll come back and maybe do some collage. Okay, I've got 3 little pieces of collage paper here. I don't really want to do a lot of collage, but I want to add some layers of this blue on top because I really like it. So these are medical exam, are printed on the Gelli Plate with medical exam paper. And then I also went over them with the Caran d'Ache Neo Color ones, which are wax crayons, but they are not water soluble. So you can see, here, I'm gonna show you this piece here. You can see on this piece that there are these scribbly lines. Those are all from the Neo Color ones over the Gelli Plate, just to add some texture. This is gonna be nice. So as always, we put down a layer of the matte medium. And then, find a place to put our brush down. Spray with water to increase the transparency. I did have a question the other day about whether it was necessary to do that. It's not if you don't want to. I mean, everything is optional here. But the transparency does stay after you wet it. You can see how that just like goes right melted into the paper, so you can't really even see it. And you can see we're not getting any lifting from our below layer because we sealed it. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry and then we'll come back and do some more stuff. So while we're waiting for that to dry, I'm gonna make a new orange. Actually, this is called Flame Red. It's not called orange at all. This is the Caran d'Ache Neo Color 2s. Comes in the warm, this is the warm set. This is the only set of these that I have as far as the Neo Color 2s. I bought, it's called the Warm Palette. I bought them, oh, probably like a year ago. And I like them because they are water soluble. We're not gonna do that today, although, no, I don't wanna do that. That'll probably mess it up. I'm really liking these sort of carbon, oh, geez, carbon tracing kind of things that we're doing here. Like carbon paper. Okay, that's probably enough. You wanna make sure you have a good solid color. And then we're just gonna use this to make some marks on our paper. Hope the camera's not shaking too much. But yeah, that's how we do that. Okay, I've got some black paint here on my skinny brayer. Ooh, it's really thin. I'm just gonna roll out a little bit of it. Use this as a mask, so I only get it in a little bit. I'm just gonna press this down right here. And then I think I want some over here, like maybe a little ghosty. Yeah, maybe. I think I kind of want some right here too. We come in with our Inktense Paints Gray, make a line through here. I think I want to bring, I'm gonna make this a little bit more solid. I'm gonna come in with the color shaper with a little bit of water. And just kind of push that up. Give it a little bit more painterly lines through there. like making these marks. I'm going to continue that over just a little bit. So this is a blue carbon paper. Just gonna make some marks through here. I want some more of these, so I think I want a few through here. I like that. Sketchy lines. And then I think I'm going to add some orange. I think I want a few oranges with these blues. These are really subtle. Ooh, that's fun. I like that mark. And some bold marks down here. Just through there. Won't seem to be working very well right through there, but that's okay. Maybe a couple more through here. Okay, I'm just gonna put a few through here using the side. Well, that didn't work. Let's try this side. I don't think I had a lot of color on there. It's sort of working. There we go. I think that's enough orange. Okay, so here it is with the matte. I like the distressed oxide layers. I wish that text would have come out more like text, but I kind of still like the shapes that it made. I think the adding in the brayery marks with the distressed oxide ink gave me a little bit more texture through here. The stamps are cool. The orange really makes it pop. And I love the orange with that sort of rusty color that we made down here. And I love the flow of these lines up here. Overall, I think it's pretty good. I'm happy with it. Let me know your thoughts. Also, if you have anything that you want to see me try, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one in a couple of days. Thanks so much. Bye.